Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1968 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. Again, we have the 347 Ford stroker engine, double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. With the proper oil pan for the 68 Mustang front sump oil pan, wheel pressure extension installed for easy oil pressure switch hookup, brass freeze plugs installed, blue ignition wires, all the wire markers are on there, all set up, ready to go. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil. You have the Holley Sniper fuel injection system on there, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring end bracket. The complete Holley Sniper fuel injection system menu screen will be all set up, all the settings ready to go. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes, fully tested, distributor timing set, Holley Sniper fuel injection all dialed in, completely tested. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 347 Ford. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy vacuum hookups if needed. The PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell line. Correct thermostat housing, thermostats installed for the 68 Mustang. Bypass hoses on there, chrome dipstick and tube. This real nice Raptor pulley kit with a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner. Correct lower hose location for the 68 Mustang on the passenger side. High flow aluminum water pump. 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. Power steering pumps on there, all ready to go. So again, this is our 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine. Ready to go. Thanks for watching.